I spent weeks building my dropshipping store, launched ads, followed all the guru advice, and still failed hard. Not just a few sales, I mean total loss. No hype, no clickbait, just the real story of how I failed at dropshipping and what I wish I knew before wasting my time and money. This is Mickey Flow. Welcome to Mickey Flow, where I share my real experiences building online businesses without the fake flexing. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how my dropshipping attempt failed and the real lessons behind the failure that nobody talks about. Here's how it started. I watched a ton of YouTube videos, picked what looked like a winning product on TikTok, and set up a Shopify store using a paid theme. I followed the winning product formula, used Canva for branding, set up TikTok ads and Facebook ads with a $150 budget, and I waited for sales. One sale came in after 4 days, but the customer cancelled because shipping was too slow. I kept testing. New ads, new product, new landing page. Another $100 down the drain. No traction, no real results. Just frustration. I thought I was doing everything right. But I was wrong. Here's what I didn't understand back then. 1. I had no real product market fit. I was selling a trending product, not solving a real problem. 2. My store didn't build trust. It looked like a dropshipping store, and people could tell. 3. I was rushing ads with no real testing strategy. I hit publish and prayed for conversions. That's not marketing. 4. Everyone's selling the same thing. There's no edge in copycat products from AliExpress. 5. I wasn't building a brand. I was building a temporary hustle. And honestly, I'm glad I failed, because I learned. Dropshipping is a business, not a shortcut. Building trust, brand, and offer matters more than anything. Low effort equals low results. You're not just selling a product, you're selling trust. Most of the YouTubers who say dropshipping is easy are selling you a course. If you're just starting out, start with understanding your audience, not just copying trends. Focus on product quality and delivery time, even if it costs a bit more. Test smart, not fast. Don't launch 10 products in 10 days. Most importantly, it's okay to fail. Just don't fake it. Learn from it. That's what we do here at Mickey Flow. Real lessons, no fluff. If this helped you, drop a like and comment below. Have you tried dropshipping? Did it work? And if you want honest content about building real online businesses, not the usual hype, subscribe to Mickey Flow. See you in the next one.